Yeah, I mean, I'm not too worried about it, you know? I think it'll be great to just like have some downtime, some time to catch up on laundry and housework. We can cook at home. It's so nice to sleep in, breakfast in bed, spend some quality time with the kids. I mean, I can homeschool them, right? It can't be that hard. You know, take it easy, really focus on what's important. Besides, it's only like 2 weeks. Dishes are done. Hey babe, how about a candlelit dinner tonight? That'd be fun, right? Ooh, that hat is cute. Clean up in the laundry aisle. Oh no, I'm not busy. I'm just shopping. Yeah, what are you up to? That's nice. How much is it? Who cares? No, Jenny, I am not at Target. Do you think I'm irresponsible or something? Ooh, this is cute. How much is it? Clean up on aisle 12. Welcome back to book club. Jamie, hey, quit looking over there. Over here. Join in the conversation. Susie, put your hand down. We know you didn't read this chapter. Stop spouting all your baby gibberish. Just come for the wine. The kids think it's coffee. Chad's gonna know how much money I really spend now. Yes, babe, these were all necessary. I love you. I love you. Who knew toilet paper would be the new world currency, am I right? All in. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. Kids, stay close. We're at the base of Mount Laundry. No man left behind.
Mommy? Mama? Are you in there?
Oh, hey! Hey, were you calling for me?
What is 2 + 2?
What is Jello?
What is the capital of North Carolina?
What is onomatopoeia?
What is your first name?
What is the meaning of life? Okay, buddy. Mommy's trying to be very patient with you, but we've been working on this problem for 2 hours. One more time, what is the answer? No! Ah! Yes, I'm rearranging the furniture. I understand I do it 3 times a day. You sit here and stare at this all day. You would do it too. What, you want cereal for breakfast? Okay, grab a hat, because I'm not doing any more dishes. Babe, I know you always say I smell like roses. I've been using dry shampoo everywhere for 30 days now. I smell okay. Kids, dinner's ready! I can't even remember what real flowers smell like! Oh no, 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 no!
Hey guys, we just wanted to pop on for a quick second and tell you all that we are not trying to make light of the coronavirus situation. We realize that it's really serious and so many people, in fact, probably all of us have been affected in some way or another. I know for us, we've got family members who have contracted it and thankfully, praise God, are healthy now and we're able to overcome it. But there are so many people out there who are really, really struggling right now, whether it is with the virus itself or their business has been closed, they're out of work, or they're struggling to put food on the table or can't go to the doctor. I mean, there's so many different areas where this whole situation is affecting us. So we just wanted to take a moment to just hopefully put a smile on your face and bring just a little ounce of joy into your day, because I know that it's hard to keep that smile on, and it is very easy to kind of get get down and to go into a dark place. So I hope that this video did that for you. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you tell us in the comments below. We have fun with them, don't we?
Yeah, no, they're fun. We enjoy doing them. You know, again, for us, laughter is huge, right? And you've heard the saying, laughter is the best medicine. And I think it's true. We really enjoy just keeping each other on our toes. We're a little sarcastic from time to time. But I think the laughter is huge. And we enjoy it. Doesn't mean everyone else does. We don't. Y'all don't have to see if you don't want to.
Not everyone's cup of tea. We totally get that.
Yep. We're with you guys, you know, through coronavirus. We're all in this together. We're not making light of the situation and what's actually happening in our world, in our country. But definitely wanted to just give everyone a little laugh today. So, you know, we appreciate you guys being here so much.
I hope that this video brightened your day just a little bit. If you loved it, share it with a friend and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. So we are Sky and Chad, and we own an online home decor shop called House and Holm, and we also just run this account where we share all things home, from what's for dinner videos to decorating videos, you name it, DIY projects, home renovation. It's all on our channel. So we hope that you guys have an amazing day, and we'll stick around for more videos.
Join in the conversation, okay? Quit looking at my husband.
And it! No one else will expose the rest of this quarantine!
Is it in your face?
Hey guys, thank you for...
Start over.
Okay. Now she's ready.